Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to fix Microsoft Authenticator app now working on your new phone. Okay, now the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the application on your phone. Once you open it, you should go and click on this plus icon on the top right side. Once you click on it, here you can simply click on personal account and add your personal account. Once you add your personal account, it will ask for a QR code or sign in with Microsoft. Choose either way that's suitable to you. And now, if you still have the problem, you can go back and open App Store, then search for Authenticator and go and click on Microsoft Authenticator and make sure you have the latest update. Once you have the latest update, all the problems will be fixed. So you just have to open it just like so. And if you have here the button update, click on update, then update it, then click on open and see if it is working or not. And if you still have the problem, you can simply go and uninstall the application, then reinstall again. You can offload the application from the settings and see if it's working or not. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.